Hello everyone! Today's story is My Melody was invited to the witch's new house. I will wear my favorite dress and a pink ribbon. Because the witch invited me to her house, so now I will go to her house. Hello, Bella. How are you, Bella? Hi, my Melody. I'm fine. Is this your house? Yes, this is my house. Can I look inside? Yes, you can, my Melody. This is my living room. Usually, I looks like you like purple. Yes, I like purple. Here I only eat things made from witch potions. Here I also have a balcony. This is a place to take photos. Let's go to this hot air balloon. Okay, I'll go up in this hot air balloon. Come on, my melody. I will give you things because you have come. This is the bag for you. Wow, thank you. This is the bag. I hope you like it, my melody. Okay, now I will give you a very cute blue ribbon. This, my melody. Thanks, Bella. You're welcome, my melody. I will try the ribbon. Wow, I like it. Yes, it's very beautiful. Okay, now I will give you a book. Okay, who do you live with in this house? I live with my mother, sisters, and my father. This is my sisters. Her name is Grace and Natalie. Wow, perfect name. Thank you, my melody. Let's rest for a while. I'm tired. Hey, my melody. Are you want to take a photo with me? Yes, I want. Let's take a photo. Let's go, my melody. Okay. Come on. Let's take a photo in this hot air balloon, Bella. No, I'm just standing here. Yeah! Okay, Bella, I'll go home first. It's already late at night. Thank you for coming, my melody. Bye. Bye-bye, Bella. Okay, everyone. That's today's story. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye, everyone.